This morning, I woke up to a note from my wife. I needed this. You see, in 1 week, I'm closing down Obsessed Home Theater. And for the first time in my life, I'm doing something that I've never done before. I'm going all in by myself. I don't know if I've ever really believed fully in myself. I think part of that is I always feel like I've got to have all of the answers before I really act on something. And for a lot of my life, that's paralyzed me. But I'm done with that. I'm going for it. I'd rather try and fail than to live the rest of my life wondering what could have happened. I don't have it all figured out. Trust me. I don't have it all figured out. But I'm doing it anyway. And part of that reality is I've got some gear in the Obsessed Home Theater lab right now that needs to move this week. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your home theater, reach out to me. I'll take care of you. I'll have a link down in the description to my email. And if you need some t-shirts, these are 50% off right now. You can pick those up as well. This is what I needed today. I don't have it all figured out, but I'm done waiting until I do. No backup plan.